up, YouTube? I have an RC car here. I'm in my backyard. I just made a trail. It was really hard to make. Let's just say that. This RC car you can get at Bass Pro Shops. Only 50 bucks. Has great suspension to it. Has a battery that lasts about 12 minutes. So let's go. And thanks to my sister behind the camera filming me. Guys, it's stuck. Put it right over here in the mud. And let's go. I just want to say this is an amazing, amazing RC car for only 50 bucks. Here we go. Yeah, let's go. Alright, well, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. See ya!